Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Tesla to the Powerwall app, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Powerwall app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, launch it and tap on Get Started. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Tesla account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once logged in, tap on Add Powerwall. The app will ask for your Powerwall location or address. Enter the address where your Powerwall is installed. Next, confirm that your Powerwall is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. If you haven't connected your Powerwall to Wi-Fi, do this via the Powerwall display. Once the Wi-Fi connection is confirmed, return to the app. The app will search for available Powerwalls linked to your account. When it finds your Powerwall, select it from the list. You may be prompted to enter your Powerwall serial number. You can find this number on the Powerwall unit itself or in the installation documentation. After entering the serial number, tap on Next. The app will now attempt to establish a connection with your Powerwall. This may take a few moments. Once the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Tap on Finish to complete the setup process. You can now explore the features of the Powerwall app. Take time to familiarize yourself with energy usage statistics and settings. Adjust any settings according to your preferences. You are now ready to manage your Powerwall efficiently through the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.